What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there on this terrific Tuesday? Good morning. Got your coffee? Got your coffee, guys? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back just to do a update, really, and go over a few more questions. And I want to show you how this program is going to give you your step-by-step roadmap. All right, so if you haven't checked it out, go to the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, let's see here. Where's my little thingy? All right, right here, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go check it out. I'm going to also include in the description a link to our last webinar. Go check it out. It will explain the program from A to Z. You will also see testimonies. You will also see people asking questions. You may have those same questions, so go check it out and get your answers. From there, if you have further questions, reach out to me after you have gone through that process. All right, guys? So let's talk about it just a little bit here. A daily pay online business that works for you 24/7. All right? You can launch your own business. This is not network marketing. It's not an MLM. All right? You don't have any monthly fees here. All right? Don't have to be on auto ship, any of that stuff. You don't have to ship anything out. Any of that. You don't have to handle customer service inquiries. You don't have to chase friends and family. You don't have to DM people, strangers on social media, trying to befriend them just to get them to go look at your opportunity. Any of that stuff, guys. All the things that you thought it was, it's not. Okay? And you don't need any experience. No technical knowledge. All right? Love it, love it, love it. And you're going to love it too. So, Digital Growth Community presents Legacy Builder Program. The Legacy Builder Program. All right? So I want to show you, before I get to that though, let me answer these questions here. And let's take a look here. So when you first go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, and I had this is great because my last person that signed up, we had this conversation. Before she got started, she was stating that she didn't get the email, right? When you put your email in, she was supposed to get an email, right? And she didn't see the email. But let me show you something here. Hang on a sec. The conversation we had, she said, hey, I put my email in, and on this thank you page right here, see it says, next, check your email in 5 minutes for the blueprint. It will be there. Now, number one, make sure you check your spam, right? And I stayed on the phone with her. Sure enough, it was in her spam folder, okay? So check your spam. But she was looking for, because it says blueprint, okay? This is what she stated to me. She was looking for some type of PDF or something, okay? But it's an actual email, right? And it says, here is the blueprint. And that's where the explanation of the program is broken down, all right? So I want to explain that to you guys. So be sure, see it says on this page, check your spam folder. And the other thing, use an email. So that's the other thing. You're using an email that you just going in here because you're like, let me see what this is all about. And that's not really your main email that you plan on using for your business. So if you have a lot of emails going to that anyway, it kind of got lost. So that's kind of what happened to her. And I stayed on the phone with her and she said, oh, I found it. So I said, what you want to do when you start this business, go ahead and get you an email just for this business. All right. But that's what happened. So be sure to check your spam folder, guys. So you're going to go to the capture page. Let me show you what mine's look like. So you're going to go here, put in your email, and then you get this page. Where is it? Right here. Okay, you're going to watch this video. But right here, give it about 5 minutes and you're going to get an email. But it may go to spam. All right, so go check that. But from here, if you're ready to get started after you watch this, just click boom. Click here and you're going to get the website where you can sign up. And as you can see, there's proof payments on this page that I've got here. All right, so I want to clarify that for some folks. Okay. All right, and let's take a look. So you're going to get that autoresponder in your spam. We just talked about that. Another question, okay, is it saturated? Okay, so that's an interesting question, but that's what people would assume, because they would say, hey, I see so many people promoting it, or hey, you guys have 16,000 members, so if everybody's promoting it or using the same page, isn't that going to be saturated? Absolutely not. You know why? Because there's several social media platforms and there's over 4 million people, okay, on social media, right? And if it's only 16,000 of us, we're a long way, right? We're a long way from even 1 million, guys, right? So it's not saturated. You've got Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, what else? Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest. I'm missing one. But you got all these social media, Facebook. You got all these social media platforms, okay, that people are all over. So it's too many. It's so many people, we'll never be able to reach them all in your lifetime, basically. All right. So that answers that. And how long have I been in the program? People have been asking me that. Well, this program just launched, remember? Easter weekend. Oh, you may not know that. Just Easter weekend. Now, this process we've been following for quite some time, right? I've been an affiliate marketer or a digital marketer for quite some time, for some years now. But this program just launched in March, and I got started when it got launched. So from the time it got launched, that's how long I've been in it. So it's March 31st. That's when I purchased my program. Now, is there any monthly fees? No. The sales funnel is free. There's no monthly fees, okay? So you don't have to worry about a monthly fee for your marketing system, because that is typical out here. I've had a marketing system for years. There are some that after you get a few people that you refer, then yours end up being free. Those type of situations are out here. But with this one, we're using System.io, and we don't have to pay for the marketing system. All right? So we got that straight. Now, let's get into how the Legacy Builder program is your step-by-step. Well, how can you get the step-by-step roadmap and lead you to success? And where is that? So how does this work, right? So as I was explaining to my new business partner that just signed up, you're going to look for an email, and the program is housed in Kabaji, okay? Kabaji, over here. So you get your email, because remember, when you make your purchase, it asks you for your email. And then $29, so you're gonna pay for your program, then you're gonna pay the $29. It's all one time, but the $29 is for your website and your system, okay? And they ask you for your email, and you have to create an account. So make sure you write down the email you're gonna use for this business and your password, right? Because you're gonna create an account. So once you get an email congratulating you from Digital Growth Community, congratulating you on your purchase, you're gonna go here. You're gonna log in, and you're gonna come here, and you're gonna see this screen here says the dashboard. Welcome to your digital growth product dashboard right here. And here's where your products are, depending on which program you purchase. So you want to go in that program. So for me, I purchased the Legacy Builders program, so I want to go here, right? And here is the roadmap, step-by-step guide, guys. So go ahead and join the community here. But from here, don't skip around. Go ahead and start right here, just like it states. Click here to get started. Follow this all the way down. Now you're going to see this because the Legacy Builder program records the Zooms and put them in here for us. Okay, so you may not see this in your program. All right, but follow this down. How to navigate everything step by step by step. You want to go through everything all the way down, 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 down. Right? Then you get here. This is when you start to set up your system. Automate your online business for time freedom right here. This is where it starts. So you've got to follow every step. Don't skip anything. Okay? All the way down. Okay? So this is your step-by-step blueprint right here. Okay? That's where you start. Then you're going to come over to the community. All right? So let's go over. All right. There you go. All right. So you'll come in the community every day, checking in, right? Check your calendar, see what's going on, right? So today we've got a Zoom, a tech Zoom at noon. We've got the Legacy Builders program training at 2 and so forth. So make sure you check in here every day. All right. See what's happening. And then as you can see, we've got the classroom, guys, for previous trainings that we've had, replays, webinars. And this is where you come to get the recorded webinars, right? So when they have the live free webinars every week to present it to others that's interested in the opportunity, it's recorded and it will be over here, okay? And all you have to do is download it to your computer and upload it to your YouTube channel, guys. All right, that's free advertising, that's free marketing. I have gotten several new customers from uploading the free webinar, okay, because it will explain the program from A to Z. All right, so people can understand what it's all about. Full presentation. And there's questions that's being answered and asked in those webinars. All right. So definitely come over here and check it all out. All right. We've got over 16,000 members in this community, guys. All right. So this is where you're going to get your support. This is where you're going to get your daily video, inspiration, motivation. This is where all the Zooms and the classroom will be provided over here. Okay, this is key as well. So you have your program, but this is going to be your key over here to everything, because this is where all the mentoring is taking place. All right, guys. So Legacy Builder program, you're going to get access to a proven blueprint that's creating results. I've shown you that over and over and over, as well as people in the community that are getting great results from this program. This program allows you to automate, shows you how to automate your entire online business and content creation for making sales as passively as possible with our step-by-step blueprint. Everything you need to create a successful digital online business and leave a legacy for your family. Okay? Comes with one-of-a-kind community where you will learn from some of the best digital marketers on how to have multiple income streams. And this is a comprehensive program. Again, it's not a course, right? All right, guys. So this is definitely where you want to be if you're looking to, say, possibly replace your full-time 9-to-5. You may there's people that like their full-time job, but they want some extra income, but they don't want to have to punch another clock, right? And have two jobs, right? So this is a great way to have something that you can work from anywhere from home or wherever you are with a Wi-Fi connection and a smart device. All right, or we have folks that want to retire early. Like my last customer said, hey, she's not going to wait until she's 70 when the government says, hey, you can retire. Okay, because she knows you're already at a place where you don't want to be, a job that you don't like. And for you to be there another 10 to 15 years miserable, and not even when it's done, how much are you going to get when it's time to retire? Monthly, are you going to be able to live on that fixed income? So this is also another way to supplement retirement, or just retire early with a program like this, because you're going to earn 100% profit, guys. There's no middleman. Okay, when someone goes to your site and purchases one of these 4 programs, they're going to pay you directly. So you're earning 100% profit. So for the program, let's say it's $900, you get the whole $900. The company gets $29, you get $900. If it's the $600 program, you get $600, the company gets $29. Okay, so you get 100% profit here. So you will get your money back, right? That's the other thing. You're investing in yourself to learn more and get educated on how this whole digital marketing thing works, right? So for example, I purchased the 929. So I've already gotten that back how many ever times over, okay? The 600, the 300, it's already paid me back. So that's the other thing. But knowledge is power. So you're not just purchasing a system here. Okay, you're actually learning something. But of course you got to apply it. You don't want to just sit. It's like going to a class and you're not acknowledging anything. You're just sitting there. The teacher is pouring into you. Now you've got to take that information. You've got to do your homework. You've got to study for your test. If you haven't done any of that, you haven't applied anything, you haven't received it. So it doesn't do you any good. So you want to apply what you're learning here. Okay? And because everything is, there's no monthly fees, you're going to be able to promote this on the free platforms, the social media platforms, and we show you how to do that. And by the way, I've got some great content that I'm using to share. You may have seen me post some faceless posts. It could be a picture, image, it could be a video. I have some great content. So if you guys are interested in that, you can get the resale rights, guys, and you can use it to help you promote this opportunity. Because if you notice, I am putting my domain on all the reels or the image posts. So that helps me promote this opportunity. So reach out to me. I am going to be putting the links out there. So if you guys are interested in purchasing some of this content that you can post, let me know. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.